6.4, example 1, we're doing the 6th root of 729, x to the 24th, y to the 6th. First of all, I'm going to use my exponent rule, and I'm going to rewrite this as a fraction over here. So it's going to be 729, x to the 24th, and y to the 6th. All of this is being raised to the 1/6 power. This is just a different way to write the 6th root of all of that. All of this can be applied to every little part inside here. So 729 to the power of 1/6 is equal to x to the 24th divided by 6, and y to the power of 6 divided by 6. I don't know what the 6th root of 729 is, so I'm going to figure it out with my calculator. I do 729 to the power of, I gotta have parentheses, 1 divided by 6, close parentheses, and press equal, and I got 3. So the 6th root of 729 is 3. And then I just simplify this. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So the other part I have to remember is if I have an even root of an even power and I get an odd exponent, I need to have those absolute value brackets because I have to make sure that my y value is positive. So this is the answer for that first example. This one, whenever I don't see a number right here, I'm going to rewrite it as, or I know that there's an invisible 2. So this is going to be plus or minus 49x to the 22nd, y to the 16th to the power of 1/2. I'm just taking the square root of everything, so the square root of 49, the square root of 22, or x to the 22, and the square root of y to the 16th. We're just simplifying this. The square root of 49 is 7. 22 divided by 2 is 11, and y to the 16th divided by 2 is 8. So there's going to be absolute value symbols here because I had an even root. This was an even root and an even power, but it resulted in this odd exponent here, 11. So that's my answer. Let's change colors here for the next one. I know, because I want to. So this is going to be the negative cubed root of 27, x to the 6th, y to the 27th, and I'm going to rewrite that cubed as an exponent over here, 1/3. 27 to the power of 1/3, x to the 6th divided by 3, and y to the 27th divided by 3. I'm going to simplify this. So it's going to be negative. The cubed root of 27 is 3. But if I didn't know that, we could still go to our calculator and do 27 to the power of parentheses 1 divided by 3, close parentheses, press enter. I get 3. And now we're still just simplifying. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. Y to the 9th. This one had an odd root, so I don't have to worry about absolute value brackets. This is just the answer. When I have something like the square root of 81, I know that the square root of this is the square root of 0.81. I know the square root of 81 is 9, and this is going to be similar in that I'm just going to keep a decimal in front of it. So this is going to be equal to the square root of, not the square root. This is going to be the square root of 0.81 is equal to 0.9. 0.9 times 0.9 is going to be 0.81. And if you don't believe me, let's try it out. Calculator, 0.9 times, clear. 0.9 times 0.9 is equal to 0.81. All right, we're done.